everyone, today we're going to have a look at 8.2 multiplying out brackets. This means that we're going to get rid of all the brackets and I'm going to learn you how to do this. So first of all we're going to have a look at multiplying out brackets and afterwards I'm going to show you some examples and I want you to practice with me together as well. Alright, so first let's have a look at multiplying out brackets. Alright, so you could get a question like this. Simplify 2 times 4a plus 3b. Remember that there is a multiplication sign in between a number and brackets. Alright, so if we were going to look at our order of operations, we would first need to calculate everything that's inside the brackets. So 4a plus 3b. However, 4a and 3b are non-like terms because I cannot add 4 apples plus 3 bananas. That's impossible. So that's why we're going to learn how to calculate this by multiplying out brackets. First, I'm going to give you an example with numbers. So have a look at this one. 2 times 4 plus 3. We know we can first add what's in between the brackets, that's what I meant, and that's 7. So you will get 2 times 7 and that equals 14. There is, however, another way to calculate this. It is a bit of a more difficult way, but it works as well. So, for instance, if we have 2 times 4 plus 3, I can do 2 times 4 and 2 times 3. So what I do is I do 2 times 4 and 2 times 3. I know that 2 times 4 equals 8 and 2 times 3 equals 6. And that is, when I add it up, it's 14 as well. So this little trick, we're going to use this with our first example. And please write it down because it's really important. Yeah, it's the same, we see it. So you can use both methods. And when we've got numbers, we can only use this method. Alright, so again, simplify 2 times 4a plus 3b. So first of all, 2 times 4a. And then 2 times 3b. So you will get 2 times 4a plus 2 times 3b. And then again, remember that you first need to multiply. So 2 times 4a equals 8a and 2 times 3b equals 6b. I cannot simplify this any further because a and b are non-like terms. So this is my final answer, but I did get rid of the brackets. Alright, so more examples because every time you're going to do the same kind of trick, but you need to practice with it so that you get used to it. Alright, so first simplify x times 2y plus 8. Again, use a little bows to show everyone what you're doing. So x times 2y and x times 8. So x times 2y equals 2xy and x times 8 equals 8x. I may not simplify this any further because xy and x are non-like terms. Alright, the second example. Minus 4 times x minus 3. Again, use a bow, so you will get minus 4 times x and minus 4 times minus 3. So you will get minus 4x plus 12 because minus 4 times minus 3 equals plus 12. I cannot simplify this any further because the x and 12 are non-like terms. So this is my final answer. Alright, then the last example and the most difficult one is 7 times x plus y minus 2 times 3x minus y plus 5x. So first of all, again, use little bows. It will help you, I promise you. So 7 times x and 7 times y. And you need to do, of course, with the other one as well. Minus 2 times 3x and minus 2 times minus y. And please do not forget a minus, because the minus belongs to the 2. So what I get is 7x, because 7 times x equals 7x, and 7 times y equals 7y. If I'm going to multiply this out of brackets, I will get minus 2 times 3x. That is minus 6x. And minus 2 times minus y equals 2y. And again, I need to copy the 5x. Alright, so now we've got a really long exercise. So how can we do this? Please highlight everything that is the same. So highlight your like terms. So 7x minus 6x and 5x. And plus 7y is the same as 2y. Those are like terms as well. So now I'm going to add all the like terms. So 7x minus 6x equals x, or 1x, and x plus 5x equals 6x. I'm going to do the same with the y's. So 7y plus 2y equals 8y. 9y, I mean, sorry. It's a big mistake. So we will get 6x plus 9y, and we cannot simplify this any further because those two things are non-like terms. Alright, so please do your exercises and ask me for help. Good luck!